Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So the range continues. We're still stuck very much in the sideways range, which is now extending into its second week. Also paying very close attention to this top trend line here, and you can see this bottoms area, which we have been looking at for 2 weeks now, has also been tested. Do have a crossover on the moving averages here. Oscillators are all over the place, so not giving us any indication on what's going on there. But for all intents and purposes, this is still sideways. If we look at the 3 hour, you can see yesterday we did get up the trend line, bounced around doing absolutely nothing for most of the session, and then sold off going into the close. So this is pretty much going nowhere. We do have a bullish crossover of all the moving averages, so that may still be something that's brewing, indicating a potential break to the upside, but for me this is still a 50-50 call. So looking at the hour, you'll see what I mean by yesterday. We just hovered up in the top here, just doing absolutely nothing, and then late in the session basically just gave it up and came to test the bottom level. So there's no indication of longs, there's no indication of shorts. It's purely a range. We're above and below the moving averages, and for as long as we're doing that on the hour, we are going sideways, which means sit on hands. Lastly, on the 15 minutes, you can see what I mean. We had a bullish crossover of the moving averages and trying to hold it to get a bit of buyers come in here, but basically fizzled out and went nowhere. So at the moment, you could be forming a bit of a bullish wedge for a move back up to test this kind of area here, which is 41.30. But to be quite frank, this is still a sit on hands. If you look at the oscillators group to the downside, could very well be a higher low if it does bounce off this area for a move back to the top. But my narrative stays the same. For me to be long, I need to start seeing 41.67 go, and then ultimately 4200 go. If we start breaking below this level here at 40.74, then I would start considering a move to the downside. Until one of those things happens, we are sideways and I'm sitting on the sides. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.